just pull back in.
You don't have to dig it. I'm not digging it.
Oh God. Today on cooking channel, we're gonna.
It's gotta stay like that.
Ooh,
for a
look at
while
that
because-
spaghetti with chocolate and sugar, with spoiled Teddy Grahams,
Oh, very rotten Teddy Graham.
with lots of spaghetti as well. Crunchy.
It's gotta like soak it up.
You gotta make sure that your spaghetti softens, and stir for exactly 1 minute. Oh, see that foam? That foam. It's good.
I totally thought you licked it.
I can't believe you swore on camera. I'm not gonna put that. I'm not gonna post that. You monster. No swearing on my family-friendly channel.
We got some more.
Oh. More. Oh, this one's bloody from when I. Oh. Yeah, I think, yeah, that one's got.
Well, here's some more fun.
Yeah, more pot wash. Now you gotta add that flavor, that fruity flavor. Oh God, what is that?
It's just and
This looks delicious.
the piece de resistance for rice.
Now the piece of resistance. There you go. Now you just gotta stir
There's
for a
more,
bit.
but we've got to do a second round.
Now stir, and there you go. You got yourself a one for dinner. Let me taste.
Oh my God! If you
Now seriously, I'm gonna taste it.
no.